Hey everyone, welcome to Crypto Coin Investor. In this video, I'll be taking a look at Bitcoin Cash. I'll be taking a look at the BCH USDT pair as well as the BCH BTC pair. So what you're looking right now in front of you, this is the daily chart fetch from the Binance Cryptocurrency Exchange. Back in May, we can observe that the Bitcoin Cash in fact reached $1,600, which is still very far from its current price, which is at $673 at the time of this video. So the Bitcoin has already passed its previous all-time high, but the Bitcoin Cash has not, which makes Bitcoin Cash a better buy right now. So, what are the levels to look out for, and what would be my take profit levels? Well, there are two ways to find it. One is by using the simple Fibonacci, which I'll be using to find out the various levels where the whales would be looking to cash their Bitcoin Cash for USDT or whatever uh, currency they use. So by Fibonacci, we can have a look at the midterm and long-term price targets. So right now, Bitcoin Cash is at resistance, which is at $683. After that, we have resistance at $868, followed by nearly 1,000, $1,166, 1,379, and then the recent high of $1,650. And since the Bitcoin has already surpassed its previous all-time high, uh, the Fibonacci is also going to tell us the next levels to look out for. And I'll be more than happy if Bitcoin Cash touches these two levels as well, which is 2,430 and $3,700. So these would be my these last three would be my long-term targets for Bitcoin Cash. But what do the other indicators tell us? What are our short-term and long-term resistance levels? So I've enabled the Ichimoku indicator, and this basically tells us where our resistance area and where our support areas are. And I would be happy to tell you that the Bitcoin Cash is above the resistance area of $637, even after we crashed quite a lot. Even when we crashed yesterday from $730, we found our support at the outline of this cloud, which is at $640. So this is now acting as support. However, when you switch to the 3D chart, you can clearly see that we have just entered the resistance area. And we have one of the moving averages of Ichimoku Cloud is now acting as support, which is currently residing at $638. And here we can see that our resistance area is somewhere around here. So which is right now at almost $1,000. So expect Bitcoin Cash to face some stiff resistance at this area. Once we are able to surpass this very area, the sky would be clear, and I think we would be able to surpass our previous all-time highs and the recent all-time highs in no time. Let's see what the weekly chart tells us. The weekly chart is telling that we will be facing resistance at this with this moving average, which is right now at $770, and some at this level, which is at almost $930. So that would be my key resistance area. If I disable this and enable my favorite moving averages, this white line is the 21-day moving average, and we are well above this line. So generally, I consider a asset to be bullish whenever we are above this white line, and Bitcoin Cash is above this white line. So this is nice. Now let's take a look at BCH BTC chart, because Bitcoin Cash has been going down quite a lot against this. Let's go for the Bittrex chart, because I think that it has the maximum amount of history. And I've enabled Ichimoku Cloud to give us an idea of resistance. So right now we have been going down quite a lot. I mean, BCH was around 0.04 back in 2020. And during the bull run, we were able to only touch around 0.029, which is far cry from its previous all-time high of nearly 0.27 BTC. So that was quite a lot. But some still believe that BCH is the sound money version of the BTC. And if you are one of those, um, this would be a good time to enter Bitcoin, BCH, sorry, uh, especially if you want to multiply your BTC. We have, because it appears by the look of this chart that the money has now and started entering BCH, and people are now selling their BTC for BCH. Very soon we will enter this resistance area, which is a nice thing because once we are out of it, the sky would be clear. So if we enter zigzag somewhere around 0.0, 0.2, 0.12 would be the area where I think the breakout will happen, and then we will look out for the next resistance levels. So what would be the next resistance levels? By deploying Fibonacci, we can again have an idea. So right now we face resistance yesterday, and we went down, and we are now again trying to regain this very level. The next level to look out for will be 0.011, then followed by 0.12, 13, 0.014, 0.015. But what if we are able to surpass all these levels? So after that, 0.02, 0.0255, 0.03, and then 0.035. So these are my long-term targets for Bitcoin Cash. Feel free to screenshot it. And that's all about it. Hope you found this video useful. Give this video a like and stay subscribed for more price analysis videos like these. Bye bye.